Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to English Week 5, Monday. This week, we're continuing looking at explanation texts, and these are pieces of writing that help us to understand how things work or why they work the way that they do. Looking at our worksheet, page 50, it says Exploring Volcanoes, and this week, we'll be looking at some volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain with an opening at the top where hot air, ash, gases, and lava come up from deep within the earth. When a volcano is erupting, it is called an active volcano. Up to 70 volcanoes around the world erupt each year. It is dangerous to be near an active volcano, yet there are people who live very close to them. Now, that is our introduction. Remember, explanation texts have an introduction and they also have a diagram or illustration or picture. And on our worksheet there, we see that we have a picture of a volcano. It is labeled with all the parts of a volcano, such as ash and gas cloud, crater cone, vent, magma chamber, and lava. There is also another picture of Mount Vesuvius, and that is a volcano in Naples, Italy. We can see around the volcano that there are lots of houses and people live near this volcano. On page 51, we have a table and it has the world's most dangerous volcanoes. There is Vesuvius and it is in the country Italy. And an interesting fact is that it erupted in 79 CE. Ash covered nearby towns including Pompeii. Another dangerous volcano is Merapi and it is in Indonesia. Smoke comes out of this volcano at least 300 days a year. There is also Sakurajima, and it is in Japan. Many tourists go to see the lava flows on this mountain. And the last one is Galeros in Colombia. 9 people were killed at the top of this volcano when it suddenly erupted in 1993. Inside an active volcano, the air is hot and full of toxic gases. It is not safe for people to go in or near one. So how can people study and explore volcanoes if they can't go inside them? Let's find out. On page 52, it says, Dante 2. Dante 2 is a robot which is used to explore the inside of a volcano. People safely remain outside while they direct the robot where to go and what to do inside the volcano. Dante 2 moves around and records information, and this information is sent back to the control room. Inside the control room, a computer uses the information to work out how hot the gases are inside the volcano. This information can help people to work out how soon the volcano may erupt. Dante 2 can also collect rock samples. Now, there is a diagram or picture or illustration of Dante 2, and it is labeled, Scientists prepare Dante 2 to explore Mount Spur in Alaska. On page 53, we have another diagram or picture, a close-up of Dante 2. Now this robot has been labeled. The video camera takes pictures inside the volcano, so it has a video camera. The winch drum has 300 meters of cable wrapped around it. A long cable allows the robot to move up and down while being tied to the rim of the volcano. It has 8 legs which have been built for walking and climbing over rocky ground. For today, our task is to answer these questions about exploring volcanoes. Number 1, what is a volcano? And the answer will be found in the introduction that we read earlier. Why do scientists use a robot to explore inside a volcano? Number 3, what happens in the control room? And number 4, name one thing that makes Dante good for exploring volcanoes. All the answers will be found in the text that we read earlier.